Welcome to Math Trivia! Let's test our mathematical method.
The number whispers secrets.
Behold the key to unlocking the universe.
But how well do you know the language of mathematics?
Or will their supposed mathematical expertise scramble under the pressure?
Get ready for some unexpected answers, surprising revelations, and a bit of actual mathematical knowledge. Hi! Believe it or not, the word hundreds comes from the Norse term hundred, which actually means 120 and not 100.
Believe it or not, the 16th century is the era where the importance of mathematics and science stimulated a new mathematics culture where heavy emphasis was given to the proper instruments for measuring, observing, calculating, and recording information.
Believe it or not, Gogol means 1 followed by 100 zeros. A Gogolplex equivalent to 10 raised to the power of a Gogol. A Gogolpletion equivalent to 10 raised to the power of a Gogolplex.
Believe it or not, that the opposite sides of a die always add up to 7. For example, 6 on the 1 will always be on the opposite side, which add up to 7.
Believe it or not, Blaise Pascal has been described as the greatest might have been in the history of mathematics.
Believe it or not, the pi was calculated up to 707 decimal places by William Shanks, which unfortunately was only correct first at 727 places.
Believe it or not, 7 is the most significant number across religions and cultures. For example, 7 colors in a rainbow, 7 days in a week, 7 notes in a musical skill, and etc.
Believe it or not, a standard football is made up of pentagons and hexagons. There are 12 pentagons and 20 hexagons.
Believe it or not, that 1 is the only number that is filled with letters arranged in descending order.
Believe it or not, the inductive reasoning is the process of reaching a general conclusion by examining specific examples.
Believe it or not, a GP is an actual unit of time. It means 1 over 100 of a second.
Did you know that 111,111,111 multiplied by itself, the result is 12 quadrillion 345 trillion 678 billion 987 million 654,321?
Believe it or not, 1,000 is the only number from 0 to 1,000 that has the letter A in it.
Believe it or not, the number 2 is the smallest even prime number.
Believe it or not, the pattern of visuals is an unpredictable, and it often contains fractals.
Believe it or not, you can literally reach the moon by folding a paper with a thickness of 0.01 millimeters 45 times.
Believe it or not, we do problem solving and mathematical investigation to inform research.
Believe it or not, a shirt will never come free if successive discounts of 50%, 30%, and 20% are given by the shopkeeper.
Believe it or not, that 2 is the only natural number satisfying 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 times 2.
Believe it or not, the symbol for infinity was first used by the ancient Greeks in the 5th century BC.
Believe it or not, number 9 is a magic number. If you multiply any number with 9, add all the digits of the resulting number. The sum always comes out to be 9.
Believe it or not, Roman numerals have no sign to represent 0.
Believe it or not, maps have 4 colors. According to 4-color theorem, any map can be colored using only 4 colors, so that regions sharing a boundary do not share the same color.
Believe it or not, the hour and minute hand of the clock coincide 22 times in a day.
Believe it or not, the Fibonacci sequence appears in many places in nature, including in the spiral patterns of seashells.
Thank you for playing along, and we hope you had a blast. Until next time, keep those brain cells active.
Come inside of my heart if you're looking for answers. Look at the stars, go a little bit faster.
Thank you for everything. For playing along.
Hala ka mga
Thank you.
Believe it or not, Blaise Pascal
Nakaskilid day, waka na sinto.
Hala, wala, diyan.
Oh, dapat dira kas bato ana.
Ari.
Oh. Believe it or not, 7 is the most significant number across religion.
Let's test! Balik. Let's test!
Di, mitras ka.
Or will their supposed mathematical expertise crumble under the pressure? Or will their supposed mathematical expertise?
Believe it or not, the number 2 is the smallest even prime number.
Gibagyo man ito. Result is 12 quadrillion, 345 trillion, 676.
Sige, picture na lang eh.
Apen sa dyan.
Kaya na, di ba? Video ka. Video yung kanuna.
Ah!